Hi, my name is Edwin Rijo, and I'm a telecommunications technician out of Columbia, California. And this is my Atlas 46 gear obsession. So it first started off with this apron, the Atlas 46 split leg apron. They don't make this anymore, and they replaced it with the Journey mesh. But what I liked about this particular product is it was the most heavy-duty apron that I found, other than maybe welding aprons, that was useful for me. It had 6 individual pockets in the front here, some more pockets up here, the main chest pocket here that held my cell phone at the time. Then I started adding some accessories like the magnet holders here that Atlas 46 also sells. Really good. It sticks pretty good. It's real convenient when I just need to put my tools momentarily aside and then to pick it up a little bit later when I need it. The pockets here are really nice. Got my pen and some other stuff. Bit holder, that was really convenient, magnetized. Then a smaller scale magnet holder for screws and whatnot, bolts, nuts, and pockets for whatever I want to use. And I really like these little sort of like webbing here so I could clamp more things onto it. Here I got a USMC grenade pouch, which I use as a tape measure holder. And yeah, I really needed a split leg apron for mobility, and this works out really well now in the field. Kept my clothes really nice instead of all gummed up by the work site. And I added these sort of like belt loops here so I could affix any knee pad to it, and it won't fall off or articulate all weird or anything. It's kept in one place. So for me, this was an add-on. If I were to design a apron, I would like the Johnny mesh version of this, split leg with these belt loops on there for your knee pads. That would be ideal for me. So then this particular product here, I seen the quality of it, and it was really good and comfortable, and I decided to give their bags a try as well, which I have quite a few. So here I have the Yorktown Tool Roll bag, and this has been the most efficient and best tool bag I ever had. Tool bag slash roll bag. So here, this is like my everyday sort of tool bag that I turn to the most. Screwdrivers in the first pocket, minor wrenching gear like pliers and crescent wrenches and channel locks, and drill bits, 1/4 inch drill bits and sockets. Cutting materials here, wire clippers, knife, strippers. Here's like my sort of like triage test equipment, voltmeter, ammeter, Fox and Hound for audio systems, and electrical outlet tester. And this is my overflow bag with miscellaneous tape, measuring tape, and some references and pens and pencils. Really good setup. I know where everything is at. I don't have to search everywhere. I just go to the category of equipment that I need, whether it be screwdrivers and stuff, cutting materials, and minor test equipment here to do my job. So this is a second Yorktown roll tool bag, and this is the back side of it where you could actually put wrenches and stuff. I got some speed wrenches here, open end, close end wrenches, and whatever you can fit in these little slots here. Big mistake that I've done was leaving this in the back where it slid on the wood paneling, and it kind of sort of rubbed the material, but it was strong enough to where it is. I already replaced it with something else, put it in another secure location, and this hasn't migrated to where it was breaking all over the place. So that was really good. And like I said, this was pretty much my fault there. And the Velcro's in place. Really good tool bag. Even though all the pockets are open here, if I needed to move and want in another location, I just grab one end, grab the other, pick up and go, and there I am again. Really good setup. So with this, I started making kits in my service truck, and these are my kits here. These are the regular Atlas 46 tool roll. And the first one here is a kit for fixing connectors. Here's all my various connectors for different sizes and stuff. It's all one kit just for that. And here on the bigger pouch here, I got all my crimpers and cutters and things like that. This bag here, the black one, it's another tool kit that I assembled for adapters, cable adapters of various types. So one pocket, four pockets here, actually 5, sorry, and they're all categorized by size and type, and it's kept my system very organized. I know which bag to grab, and I could do all my stuff that I need to do, all organized, and it packs up into a little nice small package to where it economizes the space of my work truck. Here's another tool kit in my work truck, and this is my telephone equipment troubleshooting and repair thing here. Here's for computer cables, crimpers for that, and cutters, RJ45, a telephone butt set here, Here I got various cables here for testing. More cables here, and connectors on this pouch right here. So this is my telephone kit, my cable adapter kit, cable repair kit here, and with additional tools here to do the rest of my job, and an apron to keep clean. So as far as the vehicle, I got the Hudson battery cable bag here too, which I do double duty as a snow chain holder as well. So I got my snow chains in here along with my jumper cables here, and it secures really nicely into a compartment in my truck, and it's made out of the same quality Cordura fabric as all the other tool pouches here, and this stuff goes with me everywhere. Mind you, almost the majority of the tool bags here, except for maybe this guy here and these two here and the apron, the rest of it is factory rejects. So these two roll bags here, factory rejects. This one was a factory rejects. Sometimes they offer factory rejects at a discounted price, and you could snag those up. Honestly, I cannot tell the difference of what's the defects are compared to a quality control released bag here, except for maybe a little flares here at the zipper here. That's the only thing that I could tell that's maybe wrong with it. Other than that, everything else is practically the same, and I put the same amount of abuse between the reject and the regular bag here, and they're both the same as far as quality. So if the rejects are holding up to the abuse that you may put the equipment through, you can imagine what a fully quality control bag could give you out there as well. As you can tell, I'm a big fan of it. It does the job, it does it great, it's worth every penny, and so much so that I have it in my home kit as well to have at the home, and it's real convenient. What can I say? I really like this product. After 30 years of using every other products like a metal tool chest, a tool mechanics bag where all the tools are just nilly-willy in the bag with no structure, these tool roll bags here for me provides a structure and organization that I need in a convenient little carry handle, pick up and go setup here. And if you have a service vehicle or work vehicle that makes you have limited space, this will fit in all the nooks and crannies that you may find in your truck conveniently, where the other types of tool bags and chests would take up a lot of space. This is really good. All right.